Guys, welcome to Drift. In this video, I will show you how to use some documents to prepare your proof of funds. Proof of funds is one of the major things that leads to rejection when you're applying for your Canadian study permit. They will usually tell you your assets and your financial situations are not sufficient to support your stated purpose of travel and all those things. Most people make the mistake of just submitting only their bank statements, thinking that's enough. So I'll be showing you how to prepare some documents, create some documents like on your own. Do you understand? I'm not talking about the arrangement of your proof of funds, how to go online and get some free resources that will help you create some of the documents to make the arrangement of a proof of funds very efficient and reliable. Is that okay? The documents I'll be showing you are free of charge. You can go online to get them. So this will help you how to create some of those important documents. So watch until the end so that you see how I do it. So I'll share my screen now. I will show you how to create these documents that will help you arrange your proof of funds. So like, subscribe, and click the notification button to get more updates from me. Okay guys, welcome. Like I said in my intro, I'll be showing you some apps that will help you. So this is PaySleep.com. It helps you generate your PaySleep, or what to call pay stubs. So once you go to that site, paysleeper.com, this is where you get. I'll put the link in my description. So these are the header details. PaySleep for John Doe, company name, right? Whatever you want. I wrote Xerox, so just look at it while I fill it. This is where putting company address. Put your company address. You can see what I wrote for company address. 123 Washington Street. Okay, so okay, now pay slip and employment details. So you can put the pay dates, put the dates, put the working days, because some months you might have 26 working days, 28, whatever, like aside Saturday and Sunday. But if you work all through, fine. What's the employee? These are employee details now. James Bond, no John Doe. Whoa. Employee ID. How many of you know we have employee IDs? So make sure this employee ID tallies with the title. So the reason why we are doing this is because some people, their companies don't do it. So like I said in the intro, you can help yourself to do it and show details. What's the basic pay? Title, okay. Okay, I'm still in department. I'm writing department of works. What are the earnings? Basic pay, put it, allowance, overtime. You can still add other details, all the deductions, the tax, what there are spaces for it. Look at deductions, tax, insurance, any loans that you collected, add it, add deductions. You can add those things in add item. You can see it, add item. So you can see it will calculate your net pay for you, because gross pay is what you collect overall and net pay. So you can see the amount is 87,500 naira, and you click save. Let's wait for it while you process it, so you can see it. Look at it. You can print it out now. Look at the print icon. You can print it out. Write your employer signature, your employee signature, put a stamp, and you're good to go. Can you see it? PaySleep for John, very standard, tabularized, and the rest. So you can see, you can preview it, and then you can download it. Look at it. You download, and you can open. When you download and you open, you can also send. So that's that about that. Look at it in your system. You download, open, and send. All right. Okay, now we assume we'll call the Zoho app. So Zoho, I'll put the link in the description below. How to download the app from Google Play Store. Just go Zoho, Zoho. This is the interface. You can see dashboard, customers, invoices, expenses, and more. Interact with it. You can do so many things with this online app. So many things. With the free version. So what we are doing now, I just clicked on the customer section so that you can see all my customers, all customers. You can see I just have one customer. Unbilled, invoice, reimburse, whatever it is. But now I just clicked expenses. You saw it. But now I want to create invoices. So we'll go to invoice, click that invoice tab. It will open. Customer details. We have customers. There are a lot of customers, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to create new customer. So is he a business? Is he an individual? I click individual. What is the salutation? I write it. So we are trying to create an invoice as a backup for your proof of funds or receipt. You can create receipts here and invoices, and you can backdate them, future date them, whatever you want. So put the first name, put the salutation. So you don't need to go to your local guy and say, hey, create invoice for me and stuff. No, you can use this. I've used it, and that's why I'm recommending it. So put the display name, put email, fill all these informations as much as you want. Put the email. So I'm just assuming the name John P. You know these things. Put the phone number 1234, whatever it is. If you want to put billing address, put the billing address. Fill all the details. These are not the most important thing. The most important thing is know that the app's name is Zoho. Download it from Play Store. Click it and go right into it and start. You can also fill it online. Go to zoho.com, create a profile and start filling online. So I'm putting my addresses, so just to show you, Okay, good. So some of you just wonder, you just submit your statement like that without documentation to show, to back up your proof of funds. These things will help you. You can say, so we just added a customer. If your customer is a business, click business and write the business name. Like maybe it's a corporation, a business that is patronizing you, So you can see YouTube Street, Gwarimpa, Abuja Federal Capital Territory. So I'm putting a date, invoice date. I'm putting it, because some businesses are business to customers. That's their model. Some is business to business. Some people, they just sell to businesses. They don't sell to customers, direct customers. They sell to companies and corporations. So whatever it is, choose it. Put the name of the salesperson. Whatever you see there, just click it and put subject, invoice date. If you receive payment, you click it. If not receive payment, say, but click received payment. So customer notes, thank for your business, terms and conditions, no refund after payment. So you can see we can put the order, we can put the invoice. Don't forget the invoice number. The invoice number is there. Order number is there. Subject, invoice of sales. So we have to go and now put item details, because we are just filling customer information, the invoice information. We have not put the things that was bought and the amount that was bought. So look at everything. This is how it will appear. So I wanted to proceed further, but he said you have not added an item. So you can see item details, add new line. So we'll click it. Yes. So when we click it, you're going to put a description of what you sold. Put the quantity. Let's say you sold 10, you sold 20, you sold 1, you sold 2, whatever. So what's the rate? Is it 10 million? Is it 1 million? Is it 1,000? That's how much are you selling a unit of that commodity? Then write the description: sales of sand, sales of food, sales of phones, biscuits, whatever it is, car, whatever is the nature of your business. So you now say it will calculate it for you. So if you're selling 1 unit of biscuit for 10 naira and you sold 1,000, so what would you have? You have 100,000. So it will calculate it for you. You can see it. So I'll now go to my invoices. You see, I already have it stored there. So you click it and open it. You see the invoice. So you can edit it, you can email it, you can view in PDF format, whatever you want. If you check on that paid, you see it. If I had clicked payment not received, it would have been under unpaid. So you see it. So you can edit, you can view, whatever you want. And then you can print or download or email in PDF formats. So you see how it shows. Look at how it shows.